Now, I'd like to introduce WAINPLUS to you. WAINPLUS's first goal is to help teachers easily create lesson plans, edit them, share them, and use global resources. That's its purpose. First, many lesson plans are already uploaded to WAINPLUS. These lesson plans can be easily used during class time. It has interactive whiteboard features built in, including laser pointer effects, timers, and handwriting tools. All of these are available. Without a separate electronic whiteboard or external infrastructure, you can run a full class using just this external display. So you can use the many lesson plans available, and you can also create your own lesson plans directly. As you can see on the screen, you can build lesson plans using existing templates. With Notion-like functionality, you can easily type, edit, and add content blocks. You can upload YouTube videos or any materials you need. You can build lessons using these templates, and you can also use AI to generate lesson plans. And typically, for homeschooling or after-school programs, you can easily create lessons, but you can also use each country's national curriculum textbooks. For example, in Myanmar's Kachin region, if you select the ME Publisher's second grade subject, you can see the textbook content and learning objectives. You can build lessons directly from this. Or use AI to generate them. For lesson format, you can choose teaching models, such as BOPS or EDI, and build directly from them. On top of that, when you specify a related subject, the system pulls in lesson plans related to that subject, so you can add or edit them. You can then edit existing lesson plans, change their order. All of these things are possible. You can also delete them. Through this, you can easily create lesson plans and present them during class. With videos or YouTube content, you can bring in the educational resources you need and simply drop them in. The materials are loaded. Let me add another YouTube video. From these two videos, you can clip and edit only the parts you need. Then, if you want to view only this section, both videos can be viewed at once in this edited form, and you can share and distribute it. So during class, you can easily teach with videos and show them. Teachers can also access 60,000 global ebooks right here. They come in various ebook formats, and through language translation, you can read all 60,000 of these books. The hub also includes, beyond the global library, many academic papers and lesson materials from global educational institutions that you can use. By using these simulators, you have excellent tools for practically demonstrating to children during class. And for teachers, you can manage the students at your school. You can see the school's actual student learning data and school operations data. You can view student information and attendance analytics in a multi-dimensional view and see the full school administration system. Here, you can confirm every student's login records, login times, and academic performance. All of this can be checked. And while what we're seeing here is in the cloud, WAINPLUS actually runs locally, And this same screen is contained inside our WAINBOX. So learning history from the local environment can also be registered on our platform. Looking at this device list, you can directly see where each WAINBOX is located, which country it's in, what system is currently running, what data has been synced with headquarters, how learning is happening. All of this can be confirmed in full. Even a local WAINBOX, the moment it connects to the internet, can download all materials from the cloud and upload local data. This is how all learning history and teacher support have been built into total care